In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a YouTube intro using Canva. Whether you're new to designing or have dabbled with it before, this tutorial will walk you through creating a simple yet effective intro for your channel. Canva is a user-friendly tool that doesn't require a graphic design background, making it perfect for content creators looking to add a professional touch to their videos. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open Canva in your web browser. If you haven't already, sign up for a free account to get started. Once you're logged in, go to the search bar at the top of the homepage and type in YouTube intro. This will bring up a wide variety of templates designed specifically for YouTube intros. These templates are pre-made designs that are easy to customize according to your preference and branding style. Take your time to browse through the options available. You want to select a template that resonates with your channel's theme and the message you want to convey. Canva offers a multitude of creative designs, so you're bound to find something that suits your needs. Once you've found a template that catches your eye, click on it to open a detailed view. You'll notice a button that says Customize this template. Click on this button to open up the template in Canva's design editor. Now you can personalize your chosen template to reflect your channel's unique personality. Start by editing the text in the template. Replace the placeholder text with your channel name and any tagline or description you want to include. Simply click on the text box, which will highlight the text, allowing you to type in your own words. A tip here is to keep your text concise and engaging, as your intro will only be visible for a few seconds on the screen. Next, consider swapping out any images in the template with ones that align with your brand. To do this, click on the existing image, then use Canva's search feature to look for images or upload your own. Simply drag and drop the new image onto the existing one to replace it. This is a great opportunity to incorporate any personal branding elements or colors you want to be associated with your channel. Once you've personalized your template, take a moment to review your design. Make sure that the visuals and text are cohesive and that they align with the overall aesthetic and message of your channel. When you're satisfied, download your intro video. Canva provides various export options. You can choose to download it in MP4 format, which is ideal for video intros. And there you have it, your very own YouTube intro. With Canva, the process is straightforward and fun, making it an excellent choice for content creators. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it inspires you to create an intro that sets the perfect tone for your videos. Feel free to explore and experiment with different designs to find what works best for you. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.